No, that.
It's alright, you can talk.
It needs to. No, it needs to like preen itself. It gets all wet, and yeah, they look raggedy and nasty, like they got mange. Like that one right there.
Wow. Come by, we look through all that. We look through the videos. Oh! Or if the cord reach from there to there, you can put the phone there for the cord and maybe all there. Oh, yeah. You can probably take videos all day long with my phone, except in my friend.
Alright, so do you want toast with it, girls?
Yeah.
Right.
Butter toast.
Okay, one piece at a time and then.
Not very crispy. Nope. Not very crispy. Nope. Nope. Look at the bird. Nope. Look at the bird. At the bird. Wow. That's the only kind of bird that came when Mommy did this before. She did it before. There's only like one bird that came by.
I think the finches are scared of the camera. The phone.
What are the finches? The one that kind of look like
The
chickadees?
purple finch. No, with the really bright red plumage around its head. And
No,
the
one
gray,
of those came
gray
with the
bottom.
bird feeder. Yeah, they came.
Oh, did they?
Yeah.
And then the female finches aren't as colorful. They're all like drab, and they have those little like thin, vertical, like rectangular check marks on their body. That's the female finch. The male finches are the really bright purplish reddish heads.
Yeah? I think one of those kind of the males are so much prettier in every single species of bird.
Yep, because the males is in the bird kingdom.
Except
The males attract females. just like
except I think
turkeys.
girl turkeys are prettier.
Really? They don't have quite the same tail feathers. Although, yeah, they don't. Male turkeys kind of look weird with their snoods, their long snoods, and their what are they called? Not cackles.
I
can't think of what the long thing on their neck.
We can just call them neck feathers.
No, it's the red skin, the flappy skin on their neck.
I know, we can just call it.
Oh, but there's.
What are you doing?